Hello and welcome to my review of PrimeHost Premium. PrimeHost Premium activate all premium security cells for increased protection against malware and hackers, spywares and online threats for 75% of normal pricing. The premium edition has a security function that everyone wants. Unlock commercial license, Titan tire malware protection, automated backups, and file security. And as a special for you today, remove all limits you currently have. With Premium, you can get unlimited edition of Prime Host. Introducing Prime Host Premium. Inbuilt malware protection. It has the inbuilt malware protection which give access to protect your site against the bad guys. Automated backups of all your website data, including file, images, graphics, automatically. Unlimited everything. It will give you unlimited hosting, unlimited websites, domains, bandwidth, email accounts for pro marketers. With Prime Host Premium, you will get the unlimited everything. Then the commercial license, then sell hosting services and make huge profit. They will give you the commercial license, and you can also sell the hosting services. Okay, then cyber attacks rise up to 600% due to COVID-19 pandemic. Cyber attackers have fifth of risk in 2020 and have become the new norm across public and private sectors. The industry continues to grow in 2021. A lot cyber attacks alone are expected to double by 2025. Cyber attackers, the data is showing that the cyber attackers are going to be doubled by 2025. That's why introducing Prime Host Premium, a premium upgrade that unlocks extra security and mind-blowing unlimited features with commercial license to protect your data while enhance your Prime Host user experience also. So you can instantly upgrade to Prime Host Premium. They're offering 30 days money back guarantee also. Let's look at closer look at the incredible additional features of Prime Host Premium upgrade. What the premium upgrades gives you? Premium upgrades gives you premium feature like inbuilt malware protection. Secure all your files, images and data with video links, website from the attackers and the malware uh, to be get hacked because its inbuilt malware protection makes it virtually impossible for attackers to steal your data. Automated data backups. The premium features gives you automated data backups, website data including files, images, videos, links, and graphics automatically. That means if you accidentally lose your data or some highly skilled genius figure out how move fast our ironclad encryption algorithm. Third feature, unlimited everything. You will get unlimited sites domain integration. You will get unlimited bandwidth. You will get unlimited personalized emails, unlimited backups with free SSL certificates. It means unlimited traffic, unlimited conversion, and also give you the unlimited profits also. Then the fourth feature, commercial license. Another way to boost your earning with PrimeHost is by selling PrimeHost unlimited hosting space to your local clients and charge them any amount you want. You will access the license. You can sell the hosting to your local clients and you can charge as many as you want. Anyone who is doing anything online needs hosting, obviously. space, and they definitely don't want to pay heavy monthly subscription fee for it. With this commercial license, you have to full rights to sell your Primos hosting space to them and charge any amount you want. With the premium, you can access, you have the commercial license, and you can sell the hosting of Prime host to any other. Upgrade premium features 5. Premium support. With Prime Host Premium upgrade, you get the on point problem solving answers from your own technically skilled persons support who is available for 24/7. With Prime Host Premium, you will get premium supports 24/7 without any worry. Then, why you should upgrade the Prime Host Premium? Reverse security to protect the website data from hackers and malwares. Data backup, you will get the backup for everything you have. Easy side income. With Prime Host, you can sell your hosting and get some side income also. Unlimited profit. Remove all limits of your Prime Host account and generate limitless profits also. And you will get quick support also, which is 20% available on parallel one time price. It will cost you just one time price, no monthly, no yearly plans is available for. It is a one time price only. Quick recap what you are getting in the Primos Premium. Primos Premium price: inbuilt malware protection, which value is $997. Automated data backups 497. Unlimited everything for pro marketer is $997. Commercial license is $997. Premium support is $497. The total value of it is $3985. But you are getting it only $67 only. Your purchase is 100% risk free with our money back guarantee. To get bonus, if you purchase through my link, I will provide you free bonus. Thank you for watching my video.